Hello everyone. Do you have a Word file you want to convert to PDF? This video will help you. It's really easier than you can imagine. So let's jump straight into it. Okay, so here I'm on my desktop and what I'm going to do is I will open up Microsoft Word. So here I'm in MS Word and I have just a kind of a quick Word document that I pulled together, and it's a resume. Okay, the picture doesn't match me, but it has my name on the resume. It's a bit awkward though. Okay, so here's my name, and I'll put down my title. I'm going to use YouTube Superstar as my title. Maybe not quite, but someday I'll get there. Okay, so this is my Word. This is my Word document. It's just a traditional Word document, and I can make any type of modifications. Okay, I can make any edits in it. Okay, so in here is just a standard document, and what I want to do is I want to take this Word document and convert that into a PDF. So how do I do that? Okay, like I said it before, it's extremely easy to do. Now what to do first is to click on File on the top right hand corner and then go to Save As. And what I want to do is I want to put it on my desktop. So I'll come up here and I'll just put it on my desktop. So the document is called Koby. Okay, so it's in a Word file format, but I want to convert this document into a PDF. Okay, so what will I do next? Below the file name there is something that says Save As Type. So I'll click on that and a whole bunch of options pops up. Okay, so by default we have Word document selected. There are other options like save as a web page, a rich text format. There are lots of different options, but the one we are looking for is PDF because we want to take this Word document and turn it into a PDF. I will click on PDF and you notice that the Save As type has changed to PDF. Okay, so I have a few different options down here, but I can choose to go with the default because it's kind of what I want it to be. But when you click on options, there are other options like you can save the current page, you can set the range of pages you want, or you can look through that. Lots of different options that you can get. Okay, but as I said, the default looks good. So if you want the whole document to be converted to PDF, just go by the default. I will then click on save. Okay, so it just popped up the PDF in Edge, and this is what a standard PDF looks like. Okay, so it matches with the Word document but in PDF format. Okay, so comparing these documents side by side, this is the Word document and this is the PDF document. It's almost the same. Okay, so that's how to convert a Word document into a PDF using MS Word. What I also want to show you is that let's say you don't have MS Word, or you are not an Office 365 subscriber, and maybe you don't have Office 2016 or 2019 on your machine. You can still create a PDF from a Word document. So how do you do that? Let's go to office.com. Okay, so you then sign in or sign up for free if it's your first time, and if you don't have a Microsoft account, you have to sign up for the first time. It doesn't cost anything as long as you have your Microsoft account. It's totally free. You will then land on this page. Okay, so we will select Word by clicking on it. Down here we have upload and open. I will then click on that and locate where my Word document is. So I have it on my desktop. I will then select it and it will be uploaded. Okay, now just as I did in Word on my desktop, I can click on File and then click on Save As. There is an option here that says download as PDF, so I'll go ahead and download as PDF, and it's now saving the document as it's converting to PDF. It says your document is ready. I'll go ahead and download it, and here is the downloaded PDF. So the converted PDF is in my downloads folder. So whether you have MS Word on your PC or not, you can go to office.com, sign in and go to Word, and then create PDF from the Word document. So it's extremely easy to create a PDF from a Word document, and there are two ways you can do it. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see future content like this, hit that subscribe button and you'll get a notification anytime content like this comes out. That's all I have for you today. I hope it helped. I'll see you next time. Bye.